Now today we are starting the previous class which already we have left in the previous day. That the class name is nothing but calculation for the purpose only for the secondary students. In that one we have already started the law of indices which belongs to only for the calculation purpose for the secondary. Okay, today last class we have already explained the meaning of only the square root as well as the power. The three things we have explained. But today what we are doing? Today we are understanding how to finding the square root. Because you know very well that the meaning of the square as well as the square root. And today we are discussing finding the square root for the students. In that one already we are having the two methods. The first method is nothing but the factorization method, and the second one long division method, which are both are very important. First we have to go for the factorization method. That is nothing but the number which we are ready to finding the square root, that number will be broken into parts. So that is nothing but called as a factorization here. And let us say the first example for finding the square root. The number is 1296. This is the number, and there are some steps to finding the square root of that particular number. How to find it? You just observe here. First we have to take a number, which the number will be dividing the whole number into different steps. The first step we have to take the 2. From the 2 we need to divide the 12. First we have to take the 2 digits. How means 2 6 are 12. Next 2 4s are 8. That is nothing but the 9 will be never going to exactly divide it. So for that we have to take a less number, the 9. That is nothing but 2 4s are 8. And one number will be left, and that will be going to add to the next number, that will become 16. Next 2 8s are 16. That is also exactly, you can easily divide it. And next how much left? 648 number. Again we have to go for the same number from the 2. You have to again start dividing the whole number. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, next 2 4s are 8. Next again we have to repeating the same. 2 number you have to take, 2 1s are 1 will be left, and it will be going to add to the second number, that will become a 12. And the 12 will be again divided by the 2. How means 2 6 are 12, and left is nothing but the 4 number is left. Again 2 2s are 4, and you have to go for the same. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Next here you just observe here, little bit change we have done here. You cannot take 2 here. Why means the 31 will be never going to divide by the 2. So that purpose you need to take, in spite of 2, you need to take the 3. The 3 number you need to take. From the 3 again you will start dividing the 81 here. How it will be divided means you just see here. 3 2s are 8. Sorry. How first? 3 2s are 6. 8 you cannot get exact answer. So less than 8 you are getting only 6. So that means 3 2s are 6. And how much left? 2. The 2 will be carried forward to the next number, that will become 21. Again from 3 table, 3 7s are 21. Left how much? 27. Again we will go for the 3. 3 9s are 27. Next 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So this is how we are factorizing the given number. So this is the simple step. I repeat again. First you have to go from the 2. How you are dividing means 2 6s are 12. Next 2 4s are 8. 9 will be never going exactly. You have to take less than 9. That is nothing but called as a 8. You have to take the 8 number here. After minusing 9, that 8 from the 9, you are getting only 1 left. That will carry forward to the 16, and it will become 16. That 2 8s are 16 again. That will be closed. And how much left? 648 left. Again you have to take the 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again 2 4s are 8. So this is how we have already broken the number. The first number will be broken again. So this is the very simple step. Next again you have to go for the 2. 2 ones are 1 left. It will going to the next number. It will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Next 2 2s are 4. Again repeat. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Next you have to take from here forward onwards. You have to take a 3 because 2 you cannot divide the 81 by the 2. 3 you need to take. Next 3 2s are 8. Sorry, 3 2s are 6 and 2 left it will go here and it become 21. Next 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So this is what the last number 1 remains here. Now next what here, after doing all we have done here, that is fine. But next we have to take the whatever the factors already we got by finding the square root of 1296. So this is the number. We are finding the square root of this number. So before removing the square root, first we have to find out the factors. What are the factors means? You are getting totally 4 number of 2's and 3 numbers of 4's we have already got. And what we have to write here, we have made a face. We have already written here, you just observe 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again we have to into 3 into 3 into 3 as well as into 3. After writing all these, we have to make a pair. 2's, we are getting 2 pairs here and 3's 1 as well as 3's 1. That is also 2. So after writing one number from the pairs, here you are writing 2, here 2 and here 3 as well as here 3. After writing all these, you need to again multiply all the numbers whatever you got in the pair. That means 2 into 2, that becomes again 4 into 3, 12 into 3, 36. This is what exactly the square root of the 1296 numbers. So this is the answer. It's very simple to finding. So this is the example for the factorization method, which is called first one. And second number you need to take here, that is 256. This is the second example. Before solving this one, you just again observe here, we have taken only 2's here. We have not taken 3. Why means you just understanding later on why you have not taken the 3. First you have to go for the first number. Starting from the 2, just here we have done already the previous. You just observe here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 left it will coming back to that, it will become 16. Again 2 is just 16. Second also same, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Second next, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, sorry 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are, 1 left it will become 12 and 2 6s are 12. Next 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So this is how we have done here without taking a different number. Why we have not taken means these all number will be dividing by only the 2. So this is the only one reason we cannot take the different numbers. After getting all these, again we have to do the same previous step here. How means? You just write down all the factors, whatever you got. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So total you are getting how much 2's means? Total 8. In that way again you have to make a pair and removing again one from the pair numbers. First we have taken 2. 4 2's you are getting at the end. And after multiplying you are getting total 16. So this is how the 16 is the square root of 256. So this is the final thing. We have explained 2 examples in this step, that is nothing but called as the factorization method. Again I am repeating you that the factorization method is nothing but finding the square root of the given number with the help of the factorization method. How finding means? You just start breaking down the number step by step. Already you got, after understanding the 2 examples, the first one as well as the second. The first answer you got 36. It's the square root number of 1296. And this is the step how we have explained it. The first as well as the second. This is completely the factorization method. And next we have to move for the long division method. So last we have just explained it about the finding the square root, which is called as the two methods. In that one we have explained factorization method. And next step is nothing but the log division method. In this one also we are finding only the square root only. How means you just come to know. The first example 2209 is the problem already we have given. Here what you need to do, you just again finding the square root. But how means you are just using a different method here. It's not belongs to the factorization. It's completely different. How means it's nothing but the long division method. I just explained it how means. In previous we have done that by breaking down. It's nothing but breaking the number whatever we have given number. Because you know that already. And today what we are doing here in this class is nothing but finding the square root again, but using the different method. Just to write down here 2209. This is the number. And how to find it? You just write down here. First we have to take the two digits. 22. You cannot take a single because it will not go to make a square root. First you have to take a 4. How means 4 4s are 16. Because one point you need to keep in your mind. Less than 22 you need to get a one number. Not more than or very least number also. Which is very closer to the 22. That number you need to find out. In 4 table you are getting. And one more thing is that the same number you need to take. That means the example 4 into 4 60 you are getting. But 4 5s are 20 you cannot take. Because 4 is different, 5 is also different. But one point is very important in the long division is you have to take the similar numbers. 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 9 into 9. So this is the step you just keep in your mind. Again I repeat, the same number you need to take twice. That may be 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 5 into 5. So in this way you need to take. The first we have to take 4 into 4. You cannot take 5 means 5 into 5, 25 will becomes, it will be more than the 22. So that's completely wrong. So what you need to make? You have to take less than 22, that is very closer, means you have to go for 4 into 4 only. That becomes 16. 4 into 4. And which number you are taking, you just write down the above of that line. That means 4 you have taken, just write here 4. In 22 you need to make a minus 16. How much remains? Only 6 left. 0 you need to take, 9 also you need to take down. Next step here, you have to start adding these two numbers. 4 plus 4 become 8. And this is what, how much left now, 8. Next, how much left here? 609 is the number left. Next step what you make, 8 is only the number. Again you have to take the similar two numbers. What is that number? 7 you have to take. 7 into 7. And you have to make the whole, this number will be multiplied by the 7. 7 7s are 49. The 9 you have to take, 4 will be the carry. And 7 8s are 48 and that will be left, it will be closing again and will become 60. So how much left? 609 and the minus 609 you have to make, and how much the answer becomes 0, and 47 is the only answer left here. So that is nothing but called as the square root of the 2209. Again you just observe here, again I will repeat this. First the number example we have given 2209. In that one first you have to take only 2-digit number. You cannot take 2. You have to take because the 4-digit number. When the 4-digit number means you have to take only the 2 numbers you can. Odd and even. In this way you have to go forward. 4 digit means it's you have to take only 2. But odd means you have to take only single number, and I will getting that in next example you are getting that. First you have to go for the finding only 22. 4 into 4 you have to take, that will become 16. 22, the 16 will be minusing in 22, you are getting only left how much? 6. And 4 plus 4 become 8. And the remaining answer 609 is the number left here. Next step what you have to make, after getting 8, again you have to take two numbers here, the similar numbers only again, that 7 into 7, and it will become 87. The 7 will be again multiplied to the 87, and you are getting exactly 609. And this is at the end of this problem, and the answer how much? 47 is the answer. And at the end, therefore, the square root of 2207 9 is equal to 47 is the answer. Next, the second problem, finding the square root again. 55,225 is the number, and previous we have done only the 4-digit number, but here we have taken a change we have done here. 5 digits already you are having. In 5 digits nothing but odd number, and you have to take single digit here. You cannot take 2 because it's a odd number, it's not even odd. In this one you have to take only a single number and start doing the same again, the repeat process only here. How means 55,000 means you cannot take 55, you have to take only the 5. The first step is 2 into 2 again. 2 2s are 4 you are getting, and after in that in 5 you are making a minus 4 and left how much? Only 1 left. And 2 plus 2 it will become 4 here, and after minusing in 5 the 4 it will become 100, and 2 you have to take below. The 5 number you need to take down, and 2 also, and this will become 152. And next step again you have to, already I repeated, the same number you need to take twice. That is the principle of this finding square root in the log division. That means 3 into 3 and become the number 43, and 3 will be multiplied to the whole. That will become 129. After the 3 will be multiplied to the 43, you are getting 129. And after minusing, you are getting only 23. In 152, you are minusing 129. You are getting how much? Only 23 left here. And 23 is less than, and 23 only left. Next year what you need to make? 43 plus 3 become 46. That means the 23 will be less than the 46. What you have to make? You have to take these two numbers below, the 2 as well as the 5. The whole number become now 2325. And next again the last step. Again you know that the 5 into 5, the same number you have to make again twice. 5 into 5, and the whole number become 465, and you have to multiply with the 5. How much you are getting? 2325. And after making minus you are getting 0. So the answer how much left? 235 is the answer. How it comes means, when you start taking these two single number, you have to start writing the same here also. First you have taken 2, you have written 2 here. Next you have taken 3, you just write 3 here. And next you have taken the 5 number. That the 5 you have to write again same here. So that means it shows that the square root 235 is the value of the number 55,425. This is how you are getting. And you have to, one thing again I am just repeating in both examples, you have to make the same number you have to take first. That may be anything, you can take 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6. These are only the examples, but you have to understand how you are divide, how you are dividing these numbers in finding the square root. Again, I am just repeating these two again. You just understand very carefully and very easily. 2209 is the number. First you have to take 4 into 4. Why we are taking 4 into 4 only means the 22 less than 22 you need to get. In only number 4 into 4 you are getting. 5 into 5 you cannot get. So because of that you have taken 4 into 4, 16. 22 will be minusing in 16, you are getting only 6. And 0 as well as 9 you are getting below. And 4 plus 4 you need to make add here. And 8 will be left. And next what you have to make? 6 not 9 will be divide. You have to divide. How means? Again you are taking 7 into 7. You know that this step very important principle. You have to take the same number you need to take twice. And it will become 87 and 7 will be multiplied to the 87. You are getting 609. After minusing you are getting 0. So 47 is the square root of 2209 is equal to how much? 47. So first. Second also we have done. And already again I am just repeating this one. This is the 4-digit number, you have to take only 2 digits you have to take. And this is the 5-digit number, you have to take only single number you need to take. In that one only you have to start using the long division method process for finding the square root of this one. If you don't mind, I will repeat again this then. The 5 we have to take first step. The 5 number you need to take. Again 2 into 2 become 4. Put the right 2 here. And you have to start making this one add here. 2 plus 2 become 4. And after minusing 4 in the 5, you are getting only 1. And 5 as well as 2 you have to take below. And 43, 4 is the only left number here. Next what you have to make? 3 into 3 you have to take. Y means this is 152 is the number left now. You have to start, you have to divide this number. How you are dividing means 4 in front of 4 you have to take 2 numbers. After multiplying you need to get less than 152. In such numbers you need to take. We are taking 3 here. How means you have to multiply you can get 43 into 3. How much left? 129 is the you are getting the answer. And you have to make minus here. 152 minus 129. Remains how much? Only 23 left. After getting 23, you have to take these 2 numbers below again. Because these 2 is left now, you have to take 25 here. And whatever here left, you just see also 43 plus 3, 46. And next again, you have to divide 2325. How you have to divide means again you have to take 5 into 5. How means after multiplying this 5 to the 465, you are getting 2325. How means I can show here 465 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30, 52. 5 4 is 20, 23. So this is how you are getting, and this step you need to use for each steps. If you are getting a little bit difficult means you have to go for these steps and writing in a different way and start multiplying, and after getting the answer you have to write below this and start minusing or subtracting, and you are getting 0, and whatever number you are using here you just start writing the same on the above of that number. That means you can understand what is the square root of this 55,225. The answer is 235 is the answer. So this is about the finding the square roots for the following 2 examples. I hope you understood. Thanks.